Today I'm going to show you how to bring your pony to the next level. So I'm going to turn sideways and we're going to first do a pony up like this. Brush it up a bit. That way it's all going in the right direction that we want. And then just comb it just so it gets all the bumps out of it. Just right there. Put our elastic in. There we go. Now another pony, going to be directly underneath it. Lovely. Now, what we're going to do, split it open here, and then pull the bottom pony through. This is kind of the hard part, but once you get it out there, it's good. And then, to kind of fix up the top, just pull it like this here. And there you go. You just brought your pony to the next level. Looks right cute. And then we'll just fix our sides here. Lovely. Almost has like an infinity look. And I just touch up my ends by curling it. And then here. So we'll pull out a few little hairs here. Lovely, bring it right up. Like that. I'm just gonna pull out a few little hairs. That way I can kind of style it how I like. So, take a little bobby pin or two. Actually, lovely, lovely. Sometimes you need a little more bang anyways. Get the bump down, that way it looks a little better. Let's fix up my little facial hairs. Lovely. And that is the finished look. Doesn't take long to really bring it up to the next level. I love it. And I love the way it looks up at the top. It just really kind of helps layer the hair too. So it's really gorgeous. And it's great for the summer because it then you can breathe and it helps get it off your neck. So thanks for watching.